Why is Meenu's cow sad?
Good morning, Meenu. Come here. Come here quickly. Look. Our cow Lakshmi looks very sad.
Lakshmi is sad? Let's go and find out what the matter is. Good morning, Lakshmi. You look very beautiful today. Your calf is also looking so cute. But you look a little sad. Why?
Good morning, Meenu. I am sad. I was thinking about what my baby will do when he grows up.
He can help farmers plow the field. That is what all bullocks do.
But not anymore. These days, most of the farmers have a tractor. Even your father has a tractor. They don't use bullocks for plowing their field. Till some years back, only bullocks used to plow fields.
Oh, is that why you are sad, Lakshmi? Don't worry, we'll take care of your baby. But what did you say? Were there no tractors some years ago?
Yes, Jeenu. I still remember those days. Not only tractors, but many things were very different in farming.
Things were different in farming? But how?
In those days, everyone in the village helped each other in farming. When the crop was harvested, huge feasts were prepared. Everyone ate together and celebrated. They used to decorate me and feed me good things. They put colorful clothes on me and new bells.
New bells? Ding dong, ding dong, ding dong.
Yes, Lakshmi. Even Grandma says these things. She told us how she used to make special food for some special occasions. Then lots of people used to eat together. That's right. But these days everyone is so busy. Grandma says that she doesn't even cook the special foods anymore.
That's right. People used to celebrate many festivals related to farming and harvest before. Now, not many festivals are celebrated.
I know. Harvest festivals are celebrated in different parts of India, like Pongal in Tamil Nadu, Lohri and Baisakhi in Punjab, Bihu in Assam, Onam in Kerala, and Makar Sankranti in many other states.
But now, people celebrate these festivals by themselves. In many places, the whole village does not come together to celebrate these festivals.
Don't worry, Lakshmi. We will celebrate the coming harvest festival very nicely.
Meenu, look. It is the vegetable vendor. He has some nice big corn. Let's go and buy them. Then Grandma will boil it and give it to us. I love corn.
Come, Buzz. Let's go and buy some corn. Lakshmi, I will get some corn for you and your calf.
Look at this corn, Meenu. It is nice and big. It looks juicy also.
Yes, I am very juicy. I will be very tasty too.
Oh, look, the corn is talking. Hello, corn. You are nice and yellow.
Hello, Buzz. Hello, Meenu. look nice because Papa, Ma, Auntie took very good care of me. Papa, Ma, Auntie? Who is she? I will tell you all about me. I come from Karnataka. Papa, Ma and her husband, Basava Appa, are farmers. Papa Ma is a seed saver. She cultivates all her crop with the seeds that she saves. That's why I look so good.
A seed saver? What does she do? How does she save seeds?
She has huge mud pots kept in the kitchen of her house. After every harvest, she saves some good seeds and stores them in her mud pots. She then uses these seeds for her next crop. She is an intelligent lady, Corn. But don't all farmers save seeds? Many years back, all farmers used to save seeds. But these days, most of them buy new seeds from the market. They say that they don't have to store seeds from the old crop.
Oh, so they buy seeds from the market and Papa Ma stores her own seeds and uses them?
That's right. Papa Ma started doing it with the seeds of vegetable plants in her own garden. She used to store good seeds and replant them. She got a good crop. Her vegetables were much tastier than those bought from the market. Now I know. The elders in the village always keep saying that food used to taste very different till a few years back. They say that it does not taste good nowadays. That's because they used to eat fresh vegetables from the field before. The seeds used to be from the earlier crop. Now, even the seeds have changed. The farmers also use lots of fertilizers in their fields these days.
Fertilizers? What is that?
These are medicines to keep insects from eating the crop. The crops that come out of the new types of seeds are such that they are easily affected by insects. The farmers spray these medicines on the crops.
Oh, are those medicines? I have seen farmers spray it with a pipe kind of a thing. Eek, it smells so bad.
I too don't like these fertilizers. They must be very harmful to our body. Can't they use something else? They used to. Farmers used cow dung before as fertilizers. But cows and buffaloes have become less in number. That's why they use these smelly, harmful fertilizers to protect their crops. I know. Even cows and buffaloes are becoming lesser and lesser. Lakshmi, our cow was getting very worried today. Come, you can meet her also. Lakshmi, this is corn. It has come from Karnataka.
Hello, Corn. How are you?
Hello, Lakshmi. I am fine, thank you.
Lakshmi, corn is fine because Papa Ma took good care of it. But corn is also worried like you.
Yes, that is because there is so much change in farming these days.
Yes, some are good, but some are very bad for the crops. Now, there is not enough water for the crops in the fields.
That's right. There is less water for the crops, and the soil is also getting affected. Earlier, water from the canals used to be enough for the crops. The stored seeds did not need much water to grow. But these new types of seeds that farmers buy now need more water to grow. The canal water is not enough anymore. So farmers use pumps to pull water from deep inside the ground.
That's right. Now, the soil is also affected. Earlier, my father used to plow the fields till it became nice and soft. Farmers used to grow different types of crops in different seasons, so the soil was also nice and soft. But nowadays, farmers only grow 1 or 2 crops that will get them better prices in the market. So they grow the same crop again and again. They use fertilizers also.
Some farmers use more fertilizers than what is required. Because of this, the soil is also badly affected. So nothing grows well in these fields. I know it's not good. All these new seeds, fertilizers, and electric pumps cost a lot of money. Papa's friend Babulal uncle took a loan from a bank. Whatever little profit he makes is used to repay the loan. He is very sad these days. He gets very upset and angry also.
Loan? What is a loan?
Buzz, when you don't have money to do something and you need money for that, you can go and ask a bank for money. The bank gives you money and it is called a loan.
Even Jagdish uncle gives money to people in the village.
He is a money lender, Buzz. It is always better to take loans from a bank than a money lender, because money lenders charge more interest. It is always good to take loans only from banks. That's why farmers should do what Papamma does. She always stores seeds for the next season. In the beginning, people did not listen to her. They kept buying new seeds from the market. But Papamma refused to buy these seeds or fertilizers. She only used her stored seeds. Corn, you said that these seeds need less water to grow. Then it is very easy. In many places in our country, there is not enough rainfall. If farmers use new seeds, then they need more water. That's right. That's what happened. Papamma's crop started growing well. She now harvests fresh, juicy and green vegetables, onions, peanuts, ragi, mustard, corn and many other crops. Now, many women and people in her village have also started using stored seeds. Ooh, that's a good thing. Then all of them will have a good harvest of the different types of crops. That's right. Now Papa Ma also manages the village seed bank. All the people of the village meet and talk about storing seeds. They even exchange seeds and techniques of farming.
Techniques of farming? What is technique?
Buzz, technique means a method or process of doing a particular thing. A technique of farming means the method of doing farming.
Method of doing a thing? Then I have a method for drinking honey. Is that a technique too?
Yes, Buzz. Not everyone can drink honey like you from a flower. You have a particular technique to do that. So, technique means a method of doing a particular thing.
Oh, then that's good. The whole village meets and discusses the techniques of farming. Papa and Ma must be teaching them how to store seeds also.
That's right, Buzz. They have formed a Sangha and all of them save and store different types of seeds. Now they have a seed bank in the village. Seeds are stored in jars and labeled. Farmers are told about the benefits of different types of seeds. Corn, are these seeds given to the farmers? Yes, Meenu. The seeds are given to the farmers. But there is a condition. They have to return double the amount of seeds that they take.
That's nice. This way everyone will save seeds.
That's right. Now everyone in that village is happy. Look at me. I grew in Papa Ma's field. I grew from a stored seed. Don't I look good?
Oh, you look beautiful, Corn. So, is her soil also soft?
That's right, Buzz. The soil in her field is also soft. She makes her own fertilizers. Corn, does she make it with earthworms? Yes, Meenu. But how do you know about the earthworm? I have seen it in the town when I went to my uncle's house. He had a pit in his garden. He then put dried leaves and peels of vegetables and fruits into the pit. Then he put some earthworms also into that pit. These earthworms turn the waste into natural fertilizer.
How can earthworms do that?
I will tell you how, Buzz. Earthworms are the soil's best friends. They keep digging the soil to make tunnels underneath, so air and water easily get into the soil. This softens the soil and makes it very good. The earthworms also eat the dried leaves and other natural waste. Then they leave droppings which become fertilizers.
Oh, this is natural fertilizer then. That's very good. So, Papa Ma doesn't have to use bad smelling fertilizers.
That's right, Buzz. Her garden gets natural fertilizer from earthworms. She is very intelligent. She also knows which part of her garden needs more water.
How does she know that? How can you find out which part of the garden needs to be watered more?
I told you that she is an intelligent lady. She has planted croton plants in her garden. Croton plants don't have long roots. They do not go deep into the ground. So when the top layer of the soil becomes dry, the croton leaves become dry and limp. That gives her a signal that she has to water that part of her garden more. Oh, Corn, she is really an intelligent farmer. Corn, I did not know that saving and storing seeds can be so good for the farmer. Papa Ma has so much knowledge about seed saving and growing crops. That's right, Meenu. She travels to other villages also to teach farmers about storing seeds. I think farmers should learn about using stored seeds. These seeds are from our own field and will save lots of money. Otherwise, farmers keep taking loans and fall into a debt trap.
What is a debt trap, Meenu?
Farmers take loan for expenses. They are not able to repay the loan because they are not able to make a profit. So, they take more loans. That's how they fall into a debt trap.
Corn, how much does Papa Ma grow? Where are your friends?
I have come to your house as a full corn. Some of my friends were taken to the mill to be powdered and made into flour.
Powdered for what?
Buzz, corn is also powdered to make flour. Remember, Ma makes rotis out of corn flour. Corn is taken to big mills. Then, big machines are used to crush and powder the corn kernels.
Oh, that's how corn flour is made. Meenu, you should tell Papa also to use stored seeds. Then he can also have a good harvest.
That's right. I think Papa and some more farmers from our village should visit Papa Ma and see their village seed bank. They can start something like that in our village also.
Sure, Papa Ma will be very happy. She is a very kind woman. She will tell them everything about saving and storing seeds. Corn, come, let's go inside. You can meet our grandma, Papa and Ma. They will be very happy to see you. Friends, which crop is grown in your place? Do you know if anyone saves and stores seeds in your village? Will you go home and find out from your father if he stores seeds? If he doesn't, you can tell him about Papa Ma and how she stores seeds. You can also tell the elders in your village about natural fertilizer with earthworms. Friends, how many of you want to become a farmer when you grow up? Can you raise your hand? Look, my hand is up. I want to become a farmer when I grow up. Will you tell Parrot which of the following statements are true and which are false? Croton plants become dry and limp when the soil is dry. True. Corn cannot be made into flour. False. Farmers who cannot repay their loans
fall into a death trap. True. Earthworms turn waste into natural fertilizers. True. Chemical fertilizers are not harmful at all. False. Shall we help Bert fill in the blanks now? It is always better to take a loan from a than a money lender. Bank. It is always better to take a loan from a bank than a money lender. Seeds need less water to grow. Stored seeds need less water to grow. In earlier days, farmers used instead of chemical fertilizers. Cow dung. In earlier days, farmers used cow dung instead of chemical fertilizers. Nowadays, are generally used to plow the fields. Tractors. Nowadays, tractors are generally used to plow the fields. A saves and stores good seeds from the earlier harvest for the next crop. Seed saver. A seed saver saves and stores good seeds from the earlier harvest for the next crop. In some villages, seeds are saved and stored in a seed bank. In some villages, seeds are saved and stored in a seed bank. Stored seeds are given to the farmers
only if they promise to return of seeds that they take. Double the amount. Stored seeds are given to the farmers only if they promise to return double the amount of seeds that they take. Will you help Buzz match the harvest festivals with the states in which they are celebrated? Pongal, Tamil Nadu, Bihu, Assam, Lori, Punjab, Bhogi, Andhra Pradesh, Makar Sankranti, Uttar Pradesh and Bihar. Onam, Kerala. Friends, just look at these pictures carefully.
Cooked, ready to eat roti. Harvesting of the wheat crop. Kneading flour into dough. Rolling of roti. Wheat grains. Flour. Grinding of grains. Cooking of roti. Separation of grains.
There are different steps by which wheat from the field turns to roti in your plate. Will you help me put them in order?
Harvesting of the wheat crop. Separation of grains. Wheat grains. Grinding of grains. Flour. Kneading flour into
2, 2. Rolling of roti. Cooking of roti. Cooked. Ready to eat roti. Harvesting of the wheat crop. Separation of grains. Wheat grains. Grinding of grains. Flour. Kneading flour into dough. Rolling of roti. Cooking of roti. Cooked. Ready to eat roti.
Shall we answer the following questions now? You can also write the answers in your notebook. How did farmers plow the fields in the olden days? In olden days, most of the farmers used bullocks to pull the plow when they wanted to prepare their fields. How are fields plowed these days? Nowadays, some farmers still use bullocks to plow their fields. But many farmers have started using tractors to plow their fields. Who is a seed saver? A seed saver is a farmer who saves and stores good seeds from the earlier harvest and uses them for cultivation in the next season. How does a seed saver save seeds? After every harvest, the seed saver picks and saves some good seeds. Then the seed saver stores such seeds in a mud pot till it is time for the seeds to be used. These days, where do farmers get their seeds from? These days, most of the farmers buy new seeds from the market. How are stored seeds better than seeds bought from the market? Stored seeds need less water to grow than seeds bought from the market. Seeds bought from the market are easily affected by harmful insects. Seeds bought from the market are also very expensive. Therefore, stored seeds are better than the seeds bought from the market.
What are chemical fertilizers? How are they used? Sometimes harmful insects destroy the crops. Chemical fertilizers are medicines that are sprayed onto the crops to keep away the insects from eating the crops. Do you know what the word technique means? A technique means a method or a process of doing a particular thing. Example, technique of farming means a method of doing farming. Do you think earthworms are soil's best friend? If so, why? Earthworms keep digging the soil to make tunnels. This softens the soil and so air and water enter the soil easily. Earthworms also eat dead leaves and plants, and their droppings become natural fertilizers. That is why earthworms are soil's best friends. Friends, can you find out how these flowers are called in the language that you speak? Wheat flower, gram flower, rice flour, corn flour. Goodbye, friends.